Baker is like the guy that you need, that sometimes you didn't even know that you needed. Doc had that kind of respect for him. How about respect for Giannis in the restricted area? Another dunk.
6 of 7 from the field for Dyson. 13 points and a takeaway by Jalen Johnson. Leads a 3-on-3. Jalen. Capella picks it up and he plunges it on Kornet.
With 30 assists, Sarr misses. It's why Knick fans have fallen in love with this team. Oh! Towns! A massive stuff. Yeah, that gets the Knick fans up and gets Brian Keefe up to call a timeout.
The big fella.
Terry celebrates and jams it in! Watch your head, Mr. Rollins, watch your head.
There's Dalen Terry right here. Meet me at the rim and don't be late.
Quarter in that Boston Celtics win.
And an outstanding on-ball defender.
Oh, Pat Dunk! Taking bodies on that drive.
Taking the body of Devin Carter.
Marcus Sasser is checked in. On the weave, gives to Isaiah Stewart. Malik Beasley's back. Finds Fontecchio for a drive and dunk. Nice job by Simone. Saw the daylight and took advantage.
I have forgotten that Simone Fontecchio had leaps. It's been a while since he put one down like that.
Pistons are looking for their 6th win in their last 7 games. Conley the steal, up ahead, McDaniels! Count it and put him on the line.
Oh, yeah. You gotta love that.
Take that with you.
He's saying I got a lot of ball. Did I even foul him? James like, you know you fouled me.
Sengun in the drop, getting cooked by Tatum. Kornet stuffs it.
Oh, on your head.
Put Sengun on the ground.
We do not get a lot of Kornet dunk on you.
Cavaliers 60, Jazz 58, opening minute, 3rd quarter. Here's Evan Mobley. Mobley gets inside and hammers it home as he buried the 7-1 Kessler.
Again, Evan Mobley showing his power and strength.